Sorry.
Figures in Vamsi.
Why are you interrupting?
Please allow me to answer.
This.
We did not permit.
See the second column.
Look, Mehta, please, please control yourself. We are telling you time and again that don't try to compete with that young girl assisting Mr. Civil.
If you don't mind, again, will you? I don't know why you are interfering. Why should you? You should not say all this. This contention must be rejected. And reasons of the Waqf Act of 2013, there is no time limit fixed in the Act for completion of such surveys. So far, only one state has completed the survey. Well, this is the most important factual statement. Only one state had completed the survey. Whose fault is it? Muttawalli's. This is your legislation. So the community will be deprived because the surveys are not done by the state government. And now you will say because it's not registered, it's not a Waqf. Now just read the note with me, Malaj. It'll all be clear. To justify the ouster of unregistered Waqf by user from the protection of the Act, the Union contends that there has been a consistently mandated legislative intent of registration for all Waqf, including Waqf by user, since 1923. Exactly what my Lord said to me. And that affording protection to unregistered Waqf by user puts a premium on those who have been defying the law of the land since more than 100 years. This contention must be rejected. The statutory consequence of non-registration of Waqfs under the Acts of 23, 54, 95, 2013 have never taken away the title of the Waqf. Mandatory nature of the requirement to furnish details or register the Waqf was limited to penalties. This system was still dependent on the Muttawallis voluntarily registering the Waqfs. And therefore, the Waqf Act of 54 introduced, now this is the important thing, Section 4 and 5, which required the state to conduct a survey and register Waqf properties, thereby placing the onus on state governments to identify Waqf properties. This was continued in the Waqf Act of 1995. In addition, Waqf boards were given the power under Section 40 to identify Waqf properties which escaped survey, which has been abolished now. Section 40 goes. Now it's with the collector. Survey has been abolished. Well, just look at the egregious nature of this legislation. Despite this, it was noted in the statements of objects and reasons of the Waqf Act of 2013, there is no time limit fixed in the Act for completion of such surveys. So far, only one state has completed the survey. Well, this is the most important factual statement. In other words, from 1954 to 2013, only one state had completed the survey. Whose fault is it? Muttawalli's. This is your legislation. And Malaj, how does a person who is enjoying the benefit of the work find out whether it's Waqf property? What is this going on? So the community will be deprived because the surveys are not done by the state government. And now you will say because it's not registered, it's not a Waqf. This is, well, it's per se expropriatory. For example, Telangana. We know mothers Telangana very well, mothers, as to how much how many members of the community live there. Number of properties registered in 2013, zero.
For registration.
Zero.
But nobody went for registration.
If you don't mind, again, will you? I don't know why you are interfering. Why should you? You should not say all this. Worried.
Yeah.
So, therefore, zero. Who has not registered them? The survey commissioners. Not done their job. And now the 2025 Act says, we didn't do our job, so you've lost your right. That's the law. Is that reasonable? Isn't it per se unconstitutional? No, there are many such instances. Take, for example, Jammu Kashmir 1. Take Delhi Waqf Board 9. Percentage increase 1,153. Obviously, there will be, because you haven't done your job. Third from the bottom, Shia Central Work Board, 0. In Uttar Pradesh, 0, Malad. Imbabara, famous Imbabara. Will go. Doesn't exist now. Malad, just see the serious consequences of all this. And all this, my counter affidavit says this.
Must come in here, my lord. There
Please,
is,
please,
my learned friend is saying something fresh.
It's your
Give me
affidavit.
1 minute. Give me 1 minute.
No, I'm
so that
sorry.
we may
I'm
not
sorry. I'm sorry.
taken
I'm
for
sorry.
a ride,
I'm
not
not-
unnecessary.
Isn't rejoinder?
Yes, sir.
This is on Vamsi portal.
I'm coming.
Most of the boards
If you-
have not
I'm
updated
sorry.
figures in Vamsi
Why,
portal.
why,
sorry.
why are you interrupting him?
You please allow me to answer.
We did not permit them to.
I did not, allow me, Wallace, allow me. It's not fair. It's not fair at all. You make all kinds of statements and you say, we have misled the court. Every time, Wallace, every other half an hour, you would say, I'm sorry to say they misled the court.
But then there are also states where.
No, kindly see the second column.
So, Mehta, please, please control yourself. We are telling you time and again that don't try to compute it that young girl assisting Mr. Sibal and disturbing him.
I'm not saying no, but Malad, the question is, and see the last report.
No, but
And
you see, there are states wherein, like,
therefore, there may be many more. Malad, I'm pointing.
Tamil Nadu is, as Tamil Nadu, Punjab,
Maharashtra, 50,000.
Maharashtra,
Yeah, but there may be many more.
Kerala.
Malad, works are all over the state, all over the country. And those may be voluntary registrations. Because only one, only one state had done. Kindly see the latest Vamsi report at page 63 of the rejoinder affidavit, or my rejoinder, 276 of 2025. I mean, this is shocking. And this is also 2013, Malaj, as of 2013. Sorry, I'm sorry. It is rejoinder affidavit 276 of 2025 lead matter, page 63. Because I need to finish because others have to speak. Manoj, therefore
No, so therefore we are not interrupting you much.
and you are not, Manoj. I'm just saying. I'm trying to be fast and not going to all the other issues.
We have to conclude.
You have been very kind, Manoj. Yes.
I think there has been least interruption from.
That's true. That is true.
Unless it was,
But we cannot blame you for that, Manoj.
unless it was really necessary.
And then on this chart, they have themselves made submission at page 7 of the counter. They have themselves made this submission. Saying that, look, our people